नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, my dear kids, you finished the 7th lesson, right? Have you written the book exercise, everything? Only one student has written the answer and sent it to me. Others, where is it? Please send the answers. Have you understood about Sakarmak and Akarma Kriya and all? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, my dear kids? Okay. Today we are going to revise the notes. Finish the notes. Okay. Part 8 दीवानों की हस्ती. अर्थ दीवानों क्रेजी, आलम वर्ल्ड, उल्लास हैप्पी, मत पूछो डोंट आस्क. दीवानों क्रेजी, आलम वर्ल्ड, उल्लास हैप्पी, मत पूछो डोंट आस्क. चखना टू ड्रिंक, गूंडों सिप्स, मान वैल्यू, आबाद रहना बी सेटल्ड. चखना टू ड्रिंक, खूंडो सिप्स, मान वैल्यू, आबाद रहना बी सेटल्ड. Once again, चखना टू ड्रिंक, खूंडो सिप्स, मान वैल्यू, आबाद रहना बी सेटल्ड. हिंदी अर्थ हस्ती अस्तित्व, आलम दुनिया, उल्लास खुशी, चक्कर पीना, आबाद खुशी से रहना. Once again, हिंदी अर्थ हस्ती अस्तित्व, आलम दुनिया, उल्लास खुशी, चक्कर पीना, आबाद खुशी से रहना. This much only the notes. Then textbook, page number 65, you can see one question is there. विश्व पर्यटन दिवस कब मनाया जाता है? विश्व पर्यटन दिवस means World Tourist Day. When we are celebrating the World Tourist Day, you can rotate the book and you can see the answer. It is given here. It is given. You can see. You can rotate the book and you can see. प्रत्येक वर्ष 27 सितंबर. It is written प्रत्येक वर्ष 27 सितंबर means each year. 27 September 27 we are celebrating each year. September 27 we are celebrating what? We are celebrating what? What we are celebrating? Our World Tourist Day. Okay. 27 September we are celebrating every year. 27 September 27 we are celebrating World Tourist Day. Only for your general knowledge I am taking this one. Then turn the page. Okay, my dear kids, turn the page, page number 66. You can see one map of our India and you can see some pictures on the down. First one, it is given what? Srinagar. So Srinagar it is here. You write there Srinagar. In Hindi you write there Srinagar. Then it is Agra. Here you write Agra. Agra. Then what is this? Guwahati. Guwahati, where it is 3. Number 3 you see Guwahati here. Guwahati. Then Kolkata. Where it is Kolkata? Here it is. Right there Kolkata. See the number and write there. Then Khajuraho. Right here Khajuraho. Then Hyderabad. Where it is Hyderabad? Number 6 here. Then Bangalore 7. Kochi here. Kochi. Then Mumbai. Then Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. See the numbers and write on there. Okay. Then you can find out that where that and all is there. Srinagar is there up, Agra is there, Ahmedabad is there, Khajuraho is there, Mumbai is here, Hyderabad is there, Bangalore, Kochi, Guwahati, Kolkata. Okay, have you finished? Finish, ma'am. Okay, then today we are going to learn a new lesson. Gopala Das. Gopala Das is one intelligent person, those who is working in the court of Maharaja Krishna Chandra. He is working there. Whenever the Maharaja Krishna Chandra having any trouble means, this Gopaladas only coming and giving solution for that. So here also this Maharaja Krishna Chandra getting one challenge from one Nawab, and for that this Gopaladas only helping this Raja Krishna Chandra. How he is helping? If I am saying the story means that interest will go, so that only I am not telling the full story. Okay, so that suspense will be there. So how he is making the solution for the problem where the Maharaja Krishna Chandra is facing. Okay, all take your textbook, page number 67. Up of it write today's date 9/2/2021 Mangalwar. Write on the up of it. Then I'm going to read, you read with me. Okay my dear kids. एक बार महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र को नवाब का फरमान मिला. I have written the meanings on the up of it. If you can't read, when Imam is saying, you can write it. Okay. एक बार महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र को नवाब का फरमान मिला. One day महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र got Maharaja Krishna Chandra got what he got? He got one order, O-R-D-E-R, an order from whom? An order from Nawab. Maharaja Krishna Chandra got one order from Nawab कि वह इस चोर से उस चोर तक, उस इस चोर मीन्स एंड, फ्रॉम दिस एंड टू दैट एंड, और ऊपर से नीचे तक, फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन, धरती का सही सही नाप मालूम करे. what order he got? He has to measure the world from this end to that end, and also from up to down is dharti ka, from this earth's this end to that end, how much measure it is there, and up to sky to this earth, how much is there. That measurement you want to say to me like that. Nawab is telling to Maharaja Krishna Chandra. साथ ही अगर वह आकाश के तारों की संख्या भी पता कर सके तो नवाब को बहुत खुशी हुई. Then one more thing he has told that how much stars are there in the sky, that also if you are telling means the Nawab will be happy. Like that, Nawab is these three things. What are the three things? He want to measure the length of this end to that end, and also the up to down, then also the number of stars in the sky. This by hearing that, what you will think, whether it is possible. What the Krishna Chandra is doing, we will see. फरमान चुनकर महाराजा फौचक के रहे. By hearing that, महाराजा became so astonished, stunned. उन्होंने जवाब भिजवाया कि वह बेअदबी नहीं करना चाहता. वह don't want to disobey, immodesty. I don't want to बेअदबी नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to disobey you. I don't want to immodest you. पर हुजूर ने उसे नामुमकिन को मुमकिन करने का हुक्म फरमाया है. But you have given what is impossible, that you want to make me to be possible. You have ordered me to do the impossible thing to be possible. Like that he has told the Nawab. नवाब ने कहलवाया, करोगे तो मुमकिन भी हो जाएगा. If you are doing means that also will be possible. महाराजा कृष्णचंद्र गहन अध्ययन में डूब गए. Maharaja Krishna Chandra became in deep study. What we can do, like that he was studying. उनकी चिंता दिनों दिन बढ़ती जा रही थी. His thinking was day by day it was increasing. उन्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कैसे वह नवाब की फरमाइश पूरी करें. How we will fulfill his wish. Like that this Raja Krishna Chandra is thinking day by day. All the day he was thinking that only how we will do this, how we can do this. Like that he is thinking. Then what happening? Next page. कुछ दिनों बाद गोपाल दास महाराज के पास पहुँचे. Then after some days गोपाल दास is coming to महाराज. महाराज को परेशान देखकर उसने निवेदन किया. By seeing that महाराज is very sad, so he is requesting, Swami, इस सेवक के रहते आपको किस बात की चिंता है? स्वामी, I am here as a servant of you. I am here, then even why are you becoming this much sad? Like, why are you thinking this much? I am here now for you, like that. दुनिया में ऐसा कोई काम नहीं जो आपके आशीर्वाद से आपका एहसास न कर सके. In this world, not even a single thing is there I can't do with your blessings. If your blessing is there, I will do everything. Whatever is there, even with your blessings I can do. Nothing is impossible for me. कहते समय उसकी आंखों में आत्मविश्वास झलक रहा था. While saying his eyes was filled with self-confidence. आत्मविश्वास, self-confidence. परंतु महाराज की चिंता कम नहीं हुई. Then even if the Gopal Das was telling, please Maharaj, you tell to me whatever the problem means, I will do and give for you. Why are you thinking this much? I am here now, like that he is telling even. This Maharaj is not at all keeping peace because he is thinking that way. बोले नहीं गोपाल, यह काम तुम्हारे बस का भी नहीं है. No गोपाल, this is not up to you. नवाब ने मुझे पृथ्वी की लंबाई और चौड़ाई पता करने और तारों की गिनती करने का फरमान किया है. नवाब हैज़ गिवन मी टू say the length and width of the earth and also the number of stars in the sky. He ordered me to do these three. नवाब ने मुझे पृथ्वी की लंबाई, लेंथ, चौड़ाई, लंबाई मीन्स लंबाई, लेंथ, चौड़ाई, width. Nawab has ordered me to know the length and width of this earth and also the number of stars in the sky. Then how can I be happy? This work you can't do, like that. Raja Krishnachandra is telling to who? Gopal Das. इससे गोपाल का उत्साह रत्ती भर भी कम न हुआ. रत्ती भर मीन्स even a little. Even a little. रत्ती भर भी कम नहीं हुई. Even a little it didn't lose. His excitement was not less, even a little. By hearing that he want to do this and all, then even he didn't give up. यह तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. This is my right hand play only. आप मुझे अपना पृथ्वी मापक और तारागणक नियुक्त कर दीजिए और बाकी चिंता मुझ पर छोड़ दीजिए. पृथ्वी मापक मीन्स those who is measuring the length and width of the earth. Taraganak means those who is counting the stars. So you appoint me like these both, those who is counting the stars and those who is measuring the earth. You appoint me like that. नियुक्त कर दीजिए और बाकी चिंता मुझ पर छोड़ दीजिए. You order me to do everything and you keep peace and everything you give to me. I will do everything. जब काम पूरा हो जाएगा तो मैं परिणाम लेकर नवाब साहब के दरबार में हाजिर हो जाऊंगा. When I will get the answer, after getting all the answer, I will go to Nawab and I will give the answer. You don't want to worry about that. Why are you thinking this much? I am here now. You make me as the measuring person and also the counting person. Then I will do everything. You don't want to be worried. You don't want to think this much. I am here now, like that Gopal Das is telling. So how the Gopal will do this and all? Can you imagine anything? Gopal Das पृथ्वी की माप और तारों की गिनती कैसे करेगा? How he will do? Any idea of you, my dear kids? Think, okay? Think how he is doing. You can see the picture and all in the next page. How he is doing with this and all, how he is giving the measurement. Let's think, and next class you used to say to me. Okay, my dear kids? That's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.